Here's a previous prototype. It's actually pretty light. I'm not sure what it is, but it's definitely spalted, right? And that gives you an idea of, what you can do with stuff where you get really, really nice wood that would typically be very expensive, but yet you can make long beams out of it via the micro beam concept. These are 3/4 inch. Again, I later went to pretty much a standard of 1 inch. Same thing here. This is 3/4. I later went to a standard of 1 inch. Again, this older version had the spline joinery where there was a groove placed in both the web and the flanges. And then there was a separate piece and put in there, the spline itself, right? The 1/4 inch material. But that just gives you an idea. And this one, by the way, if it's going to be a handrail on a stairway because of code, there's certain rules that apply relative to grip. So that's probably why I did this at like 2 1/4 or 2 1/2, whatever that is, because I don't know that 3 inch passes. And yeah, so that's a version.